Welcome to Geneva to the BID International Star Award for Quality Convention here in 2011. I am together with Mr. Halimuzzaman, the Executive Director, the CEO of Healthcare Pharmaceuticals from Bangladesh. This company is awarded here in Geneva in the gold category, is it right?
Yes.
Yes. So Mr. Halimuzzaman, congratulations and good afternoon. First question to you, can you present your company and explain us the success of your activities?
First of all, I thank you for inviting us in Geneva to receive the award in the gold category. We, Healthcare Pharmaceuticals Limited in Bangladesh, are in the category of generic pharmaceuticals drug manufacturer. In Bangladesh, we have around 140 million people. The companies in Bangladesh are producing almost 97% of the medicines locally, and we belong to that category. It is not only about the production of drug or the medicine, it is about the quality. So, depending on the quality, we pursue our company. We strive our company to achieve the level it is required to product of the standards, mainly accepted by the drug manufacturer, accepted by the doctors and the patient's use and the compliance. So it is an industry which is established in 2002, back in 2002, and by this 7-8 years time, we have established an excellent quality factories throughout our company. So it is basically it is a continuation of the mission in the light of the patent protections of the drug in the advanced countries like USA and Europe, and we need to develop our standards and the quality in the line of that so that we can compete in the international market. So we are working in that line, and so far we have excellent achievements of the quality entertainment throughout the company. It includes all of our colleagues who works in the R&D, who works in the manufacturing, who works in the quality control, or who works in the marketing or in the sales. So we see it is a very prosperous company in Bangladesh, and we want to see this company should be a leading company in the Bangladesh as well as a huge source for the international community for the medicine supply.
And this is why you are already today here in Geneva.
Yeah.
So please, can you speak about the projects for the future of your company?
Yeah. The future of the company it depends what is the trend of the international market. Like the new innovation is very difficult now, and it is a very expensive venture, which is mainly being accompanied by the multinational companies and the international. So from Bangladesh, as a small country, and not a big company, small company, we do try to do the reverse engineering for the pharmaceutical product, like the biosimilar, the bioengineering, and the biogeneric products, and the products which are under patent, we'd like to do a in-house R&D to develop, to prepare ourselves to fight after expiry of the patent. So that is the big challenge which is going on. For this, you need to hire new people, you need to educate our current people, and continuously have to see the trend of the world pharmaceuticals market.
Yeah. So we wish you a lot of success in those projects. So you are here in Geneva to receive a quality award, the BID International Star Award for Quality. How do you expect this award you are receiving to help your company or to change the image of your company?
Yeah. Thank you. It's a recognition to the company, as well as it is a recognition for the practice and the people who is working for this company. So first of all, I'd like to give it this success for the country, my own country, who is basically nourishing all of our people. And secondly, this is being deliberated and distributed among my colleagues who is basically working for this company, for this community, and for the well-being of the people of the Bangladesh.
Okay, thank you. And the last question, Mr. Halimuzzaman, the last question, more personal. Do you wish to dedicate this award?
Yes, I would like to dedicate this award to my colleagues who works hard in the factory, who works hard in the marketing, in the sales, in the administrations, and in the total of the company. And this is a pride for the country as well. So I'd like to dedicate the award also to my country.
Nice message. And this is also proud for us, for BID, to have you here today in Geneva in this convention, international convention in 2011. So congratulations again to your company, to Healthcare Pharmaceuticals from Bangladesh. And we wish you a lot of success for the future. And we hope that this collaboration that is born today with BID will help you in the way of this success. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you too.